Do you know that the Fulani bandits and kidnappers are gradually infiltrating the southeast of Nigeria? Because tell me why Abia State of all places have reportedly recorded banditry and kidnapping just recently. Well, recent reports coming from parts of southeastern Nigeria have once again raised serious concerns among residents. According to reports, a woman and a commercial tricycle rider, popularly known as a keke driver, were allegedly kidnapped in Umuawa Alaocha, Abia State. Thankfully, local youths reportedly intervened and the suspects were said to have been apprehended.
Chief of Tanga, how would the woman kidnap and the Fulani kidnapping? Those are Nkumuku, and with the intervention of the community people, I may rescue you with the person vehicle. So look at the woman, the other person will injure you. If we are going to treat you, like health center. So on your block, she did vigilante.
Oh God, oh child! You got my brother. Oh God, let people go balena.
Now, whether you live in Abia, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, or even Ebonyi State, one thing is clear: security is everybody's business right now. Many community leaders and security advocates have reportedly emphasized the need for vigilance, neighborhood watch groups, and active community participation in protecting local communities. And if you know anything about the Igbo people, you know they are known for resilience, courage, and community organization. In fact, many people often say Igbos know they carry last. If you're Igbo and you're watching this video right now, let me know your state in the comment section. But that's not all. Another report has been generating conversations online, which involves Oraukwu Community in Anambra State. Residents reportedly raised concerns after individuals believed to be Fulani herdsmen were allegedly spotted camping in a bush within the area. As of now, there is no official confirmation linking those individuals to any criminal activity, but many residents say they want security agencies to investigate and ensure that communities remain safe. Because let's be honest, whenever suspicious activities like this are reported, people naturally become concerned.
Oga, we no want you now for this town again. If we no want you now for this town again, make una pack all this thing come up for here. Na no kata ebe na afunu no na amiare Oraukwu na kwonu ya okwo ndi ihe na azumocha ari Oraukwu o ona na aware kata wefu ebe ha no had two boys onye nke ofu gbara ọsọ gwakwa obere ife nekwa so efi achi wee bịa wee nọrọ Oraukwu Messi ka nkụ Messi tiri alụ kịta Messi tiri alụ security nọ n'Oraukwu Central Security
Now let's move over to the southwest, where a story has gone completely viral on social media. Reports from Oraukwu claim that local hunters successfully rounded up suspected bandits who were allegedly armed with AK-47 rifles. But what has really caught people's attention is what happened next. According to eyewitness accounts circulating online, the Oluode reportedly invoked traditional incantations often referred to as Ofo. And here's where things get really interesting. Witnesses claim the suspects suddenly found themselves unable to move their motorcycles, effectively crippling their escape attempt and allowing hunters to surround them. Now, whether you believe that story or not is entirely up to you, but I have to ask, do you believe traditional powers like this can actually work? Or do you think there is another explanation? Let me know in the comments, because social media users are heavily divided. Some people believe traditional institutions still possess powers that modern society does not fully understand. Others insist that such stories are exaggerated or misunderstood. And then there is another group of people expressing frustration about how suspected criminals are often handed over to authorities instead of communities taking matters into their own hands, just like these Fulani bandits will always do, taking matters into their hands. However, it is important to remember that the law does not permit mob justice and suspects should face due process through the legal system. At the end of the day, Nigerians across all regions share one common concern: security. Personally, what do you think is the solution to insecurity in Nigeria?
If I walk on the outside,
Well, she can't keep video for me. Ogo carry. Abia otu ndị Fulani. Abia otu ndị Fulani. Nke a bụ nke ekechaghị na ka etafaizie ya n'akwa. Nke a okpu fafa na-ekpu. Ọgwụ dịcha n'ime ya. Ngwongwo ọgụ n'efa. Ha sị ha na-aga Ọsamala. Ọsamala.
Practice na akarịrị mee.
Ya bụ ọgwụ Quran. Ya ọgwụ Quran dị ya. Esugo ọgwụ nke ihe niile abụ ọgwụ ahụ eke. Ya ọgwụ ahụ eke. Asa na-aga Ọsamala.
Anụsịghị ha ncha.
Bidokwa ma agba akpata eji uche.
Ncha. Ka gravity sense na bụ. Practice ha kwadochago.
Yeah, we Siagi fa lolo.
Life and alert ko no.
Na we no be there.
E ko no mo bi. Na necha.
Nefa ba. Ya do.
Isefa. When ka do FM. Jangan mo ke ko. Sewolo.
Ya picture nwetasịrị n'aka fa. Picture of ebe a jicha akwa ndị ahụ. Ha jicha akwa ndị Nigerian Zoo.
Ncha.
Nko kuzile tapa.
Kana so. Nimba. Fabele boy igbo.
Tapa.
Ona Tinubu bụ the president.
Ya webe a jicha uniform. I tap and down.
It's over, John. Nefa. Kafala. Nefa. Dịsasị efik ife ọbụla. Ọnwa ọkwa ha ncha na-anụ Igbo, ada anụkwa oyibo.
Sọsọ ofu onye niile ha na-anụ Igbo.
Ofu onye na-anụ Igbo ebe a.
Ha ncha niile ebe ada anụ oyibo, ada anụ Igbo.
Ọnwa nke na-anụ Igbo, ọnwa nke na-anụ oyibo.
Ị na-agbafe okwu a na-enenesi o.
Oo.
Sọsọ ọsamara ka a kpọtara afa.
Sọsọ maka ha kpọtara
Onwe ife a na-ekwu anyị na-ahụ.